What is going on? My name is AlTone, and this is the EnviroKlenz Liquid Laundry Enhancer. And we've been trying this out for a little while, and I think it's great. So I wanted to share with you my experience. So a laundry enhancer is not something that you can really demonstrate in video. So I'm just going to have to tell you what our experience has been and how it has been working for us. My wife and I both deal with different types of allergy issues, and what I often have to do for her, especially when it comes to our bedding, is I have to wash it and do an additional rinse to rinse out all of those additional perfumes and chemicals from the laundry detergent that was used to clean my sheets before putting it in the dryer to keep her from itching while she's trying to sleep. And one of the things that I've noticed as we have been using this laundry enhancer is actually helping with that. EnviroKlenz themselves, I think, is also a great US-based company that they really do care about the environment in the way that they pack and package their products. This little 77-ounce liquid laundry enhancer is actually made up of mostly recyclable or recycled material, and they really care about reducing the amount of plastics they're actually using in their products. So that is great. What comes in the box is the laundry enhancer itself, and it is in a plastic container on the inside here, and on the top is a measuring cup that allows you to measure out 1/4 cup of laundry enhancer to place into your washing machine along with the regular detergent that you're using, and then be able to wash your clothes. And this particular box, 77 ounces of liquid laundry enhancer, will actually service 20 loads in your washer. Now, of course, when I first received the laundry enhancer, I wasn't really sure how to use it. So I did look on the box, and on the side of the box, it actually has a QR code that you can scan, and it will take you to a website that will give you all the instructions on how to use it, as well as a bunch of additional information that might be valuable to you on how they really work to ensure that they are, protecting the environment as they make these products. So one of the things that they actually say on the box is that EnviroKlenz considers safety throughout the entire product formulation process, and they carefully think about the well-being of its customers at every stage of development, with every ingredient, every package, and every application. So I truly thank you for stopping by and allowing me to share my thoughts on this particular laundry enhancer with you. Have an absolutely fantastic day, and I look forward to talking to you again in a future video.